Have you ever tried creating a multi-level roof in Revit and everything just breaks? We are fixing that today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design complex roof like a pro, step by step. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Here's the roof. We have different levels. The first level and the second one. Let's delete this roof. Head over to plan. We are creating it by footprint. Edit type. Set the thickness and the roof material. And click here to change the roof material. When you're done, click OK. Finish it. Let's create the roof. We are going to use pick lines to make it faster. Select it. Make sure to check define slopes. Let's pick the roof. Trim it. Finish it. Here we have the roof. You can select it and adjust the slope. Let's use 37. As you can see, the roof is supposed to start from the top of this concrete fascia. So select the roof. The height of the concrete fascia is 300 millimeters, which simply means the roof will start at 300 millimeters. Select it, properties, base offset, use 300. That's okay. So over here, the roof is starting at this level here. For you to do that, first of all, you need to determine the height of the concrete fascia. So let's head over to the elevation. Click on south elevation. Here the height of this first concrete fascia is 300. Then from this point to the top of this other concrete fascia is 600 millimeters. So we'll add the 600 to this first one that we had here, which will be 900 millimeters. Now let's head over to the 3D. Open it. Now we are going to pick this point here, this point. Edit roof. Select the point. Offset from roof base. From the top of this concrete fascia to the top of this other concrete fascia is 600 millimeters. So type in 600 millimeters. Apply. Click OK. So first of all, we need to attach this wall to the top base. Select the wall. Click on attach to top base. Select this, attach to top base. So the next step is to edit the roof. Let's switch it to realistic mode so you can see it clearly. We have a space left here, so we need to edit this roof to start from this point here. Head over to roof plan, click on architecture, click on ref plane, use the pick line and pick the roof. Let's pick this point. Fine, let's pick just this point because this is where we are editing. Select the roof, edit footprint. Now you've seen that point, so use the pick lines. Now uncheck define slope. We are going to eliminate this part for now. Let's pick the line from here. We don't have any business here. Let's pick it. Select this and delete it. This particular concrete fascia is starting from here, so we need to extend the roof down here and this roof also down here, so it will cover that space properly. So use the pick line and pick from here. from here. Now let's trim it. Trim here to here and trim this to this. Do the same thing here, this to this and this to this. Finish it. Now you need to detach the wall first. Click OK. Let's head over to 3D and see it. You see it. Now we have the roof from this point. So we are going to create this roof now, like we are modeling a separate roof. Head over to roof plan, select this roof, right click, create similar. Use the pick lines. Pick from here. This from here. Pick this one. Now let's pick from this concrete fascia. Alright, trim it. Now select these points here and click define slope. Let's use the same slope for that other roof, which is 37 degrees. If you don't know how to model a concrete fascia in Revit, I made a video on how to model it. I'll leave the link in the description section for you to check out. Now let's finish this. Let's head over to 3D. So we need to select this roof, base offset, change to 900. It's perfect now. Now select this wall, attach to top base. Do the same thing here, attach to top base. Select this, attach to top base, and that is it. And delete the ref plane. So now the next thing you need to do is to add the ridge cap. I've made a video for that. If you want to learn how to create a ridge cap in Revit, I'll leave a link in the description section. And that is just it. We now have a multi-level roof in Revit. If this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with others to benefit from it. And don't forget to check our channel for more Revit tutorials.